In this video, we're going to set up a simple sword swing in a new timeline. We'll be seeing the enhanced timeline's full potential in the next guides just ahead. Let's start by creating a timeline asset. We'll be opening the Assets menu and, inside Create, choose the one that says Timeline. We'll be calling it Swing Attack 1. Once the timeline is opened, we'll be needing a new track. In the Timeline panel, right-click on the left column and select Animation Track. Inside, right-click and select Add from Animation Clip. And for this example, we'll select the one named Armature Swing Attack 01. We will also add an audio track. Aim at the track column, right-click and select Audio Track. And in this track, right-click and select Add from Audio Clip. For this example, we will be choosing Sword Swing 1. Now, over the Hierarchy panel, create an empty game object. Let's call it Sample Character. Then, over Project, look for Human Model, then drag it into the hierarchy as Child of Sample Character. We'll be using an animation controller while at it. This step isn't crucial to make timelines work, but it's still good to have animations that we can transition back to, such as idle and walk. Next, we'll select the sample character and add an EnhancedTimelinePlayer to it. We'll be adding the audio source component as well. For this example, we'll be adding two entries in the bindings list. One for the same object, which has the audio source component, and the other one for its child, which has the animator component. Now it's time for some scripting. We'll head to the project panel, create a C# script. Let's name it Sample Character, and attach it to the game object in the scene. We'll double-click on the script to open our text editor with it, and replace everything in the file with the code from the Getting Started guide. Let's go back to Unity, so that it starts compiling. We'll be dragging the timeline we created just a minute ago, and dropping it inside the attack property of our script. We can accommodate the main camera and the character's position so that we can appreciate the result. Alright, now it's time to play the scene. If we press the Z button on our keyboard, it should play our timeline for us.